Hey everyone! Join me as I challenge myself to lose 20 kilograms in just 30 days with a magic drink for belly fat. Ready to melt away those stubborn kilos? Let's dive in. Imagine revealing a leaner, healthier you in just a few weeks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, this magic drink might be the secret you've been waiting for. Belly fat isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's linked to serious health problems like diabetes and heart disease. That's why I'm excited to share this game-changing drink that targets belly fat specifically. The magic ingredients: green tea, lemon juice, and ginger. Green tea boosts metabolism, lemon juice fights inflammation, and ginger reduces bloating. Together, they create a powerful fat-burning combo. Here's the simple recipe. Blend 1 cup of green tea, half a cup of fresh lemon juice, and a 1-inch piece of grated ginger. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day before meals for the best results. Ready to take on the challenge? Share your progress in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss tips. Let's torch that belly fat together. Remember to direct your viewers to the description box for more information and product recommendations.